Tag-init na naman. Ramdam niyo na ba? Yung init na para bang galit na galit. And syempre, pag tag-init, nako yung kuryente. Nakabahan ka na ba sa electric bill mo? Pero bago mo patayin yung fan or aircon, pag-isipan mo muna to. Dalawa lang yan. Mamili ka, mahal na kuryente or mahal na hospital bill. Hospital agad. Pwede bang ubo muna? Okay, sige. Nagtipid ka kahit sobrang init. Hindi ka nag-aircon or nagbukas ng fan, so uubuhin ka, sisipunin, dilagnatin, then gagastos ka sa gamot, mawawalan ka ng sweldo kasi absent ka sa trabaho. Ang ending, hahawaan mo pa yung buong family mo, nakasama mo sa bahay. Sa halip na savings ang naipon mo, plema yung naipon mo. Opening your aircon is not luxury. It's smart resource management. You're buying sleep, focus, and the power to earn more. Mas madaling mag-isip kung paano kumita ng pera kung hindi kumukulo yung utak mo sa init. It's like, okay, I'll spend additional 2,000 pesos on electricity to protect my 5,000 peso worth of health and 10,000 peso worth of productivity. Yes, electricity costs money, but avoiding stress, discomfort, or sickness is far more valuable than the bill itself. It's like a bad trade-off, meaning lugi na palitan, like turning off your aircon to save money, pero nasacrifice yung health and nagastusan ka din naman dahil nagkasakit ka. Don't save money at the expense of your sanity and safety. Kailangan talaga ng matalinong pagtitipid. Remember, your health is your primary capital. Save wisely. Your peace of mind is worth every kilowatt.